Hi, I'm Dr. Don Selby. I'm the Chief Medical Officer of College Concierge Medicine. I thought I would give you a little introductory video about me, just in case you want to know who the crazy doctor is that might come see you. People like to know that sometimes. First off, it's important to know that I earned a bachelor's degree and a master's degree from Arizona State University. Bachelor's was in biology, master's degree was in physiology, and my research was the epidemiology and neuropathophysiology of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Creutzfeldt-Jakob. Now, how's that for a very succinct title for a dissertation? Later, I went to medical school at what was called the Southwestern College of Naturopathic Medicine, now called Sonoran University of Health Sciences. I am a naturopathic physician, which is not at all the same thing as being a naturopath. Naturopaths are unlicensed, untrained, uneducated, kind of do weeds and seeds, crystals and woo-woo. That's not me. I am a scientist by training, and I enjoyed the 4 years of medical school. Well, that's a lie. Nobody enjoys 4 years of medical school. But I did 4 years of medical school, and I tolerated, and I got out with pretty decent grades. And I am licensed by the state of Arizona to practice medicine. In addition to that, I have been a college professor for a very long time. When I was finishing up my graduate program at ASU, before I went to medical school, tragically, a member of my graduate committee died suddenly and unexpectedly right before the fall semester was supposed to start. At the funeral, I was talking to the dean and said, like everybody does, if there's anything I can do for you, you just let me know. And the dean said, would you like to teach his classes this fall, because I don't have time to find anybody else. So that was not exactly a resounding endorsement of my ability, but I got to teach at ASU, and I did that, ended up doing it for about 2 years, and enjoyed it. I must have done pretty well at it. Later, I went to teach at a different college, taught anatomy and physiology, mostly for wannabe nurses, and then later at a university, another university, anatomy and physiology. So I taught anatomy and physiology for almost 15 years as an adjunct professor. I've been practicing medicine for also about 15 years now, again as a naturopathic physician. As a naturopathic physician, I am focused on finding the underlying cause of the illness. Now, I understand that if it is 3 in the morning and you have a urinary tract infection, you don't really care about the underlying cause of your illness. You want an antibiotic, and you want a pain reliever, and you want the pain to go away right now. I get it, I understand that. But if this is your 5th time in the last 2 months of having a urinary tract infection, you might appreciate a doctor who tries to get to the underlying cause and wipe that out for you. Likewise, if you can't breathe, you have respiratory issues, it's one thing if it's a cough or a cold. It's quite another if it is a chronic disease. We like to get to the bottom of it and see what we can do to make you healthier and be healthier and happier. If you have an illness while you are in college at Arizona State University or Grand Canyon University or Ottawa University or any of the other schools in this area, and you want somebody to come to you so that you don't have to get up and get dressed and go to a brick and mortar office and wait for an hour and a half in a waiting room, call me. We actually do house calls, and we don't grumble about it, we don't complain about it. We're College Concierge Medicine. I'm Dr. Selby. If you have any questions, give me a call, 928-600-5068. Thank you.